Welcome back to our channel. Tonight we are doing something a little different. We are celebrating a undefeated season of soccer for my son Weston, and we've got about 40 people here at Rickwood Caverns, and we're going to be roasting hot dogs, and we're going to be trying to make some dump cake. One of my favorite things ever to do around campfire. So stick around and have some fun with us. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at it.
What's the herd say? What's the herd say? What's the herd say? Herd on me. Herd on 3. 1, 2, 3. Herd!
So let's see how she's looking. Got it off the fire. Might be a little burned, but honestly, when you're camping, it'll probably still taste good. Oh yeah. I think we're good on that. If it's not good, don't tell me. Oh yeah. It's called dump cake. Essentially, I learned this in the Scouts. You just dump everything into a cast iron Dutch oven and hope for the best. How's it taste? Awesome. So it's whatever filling you want. So you put butter down, whatever filling, and then you do yellow cake mix, white cake mix, whatever you want, and then slice a stick and a half of butter all along the top in random intervals. Oh, I didn't say it was healthy. Pretty good. The funny thing about campfire cooking is even if it's burnt and not great, it still tastes better than it should.
MRE.
You know, we actually did a video with us cooking an MRE. It's better than I remembered. They've either gone up in quality or I'm just more appreciative now.
I got a lip.
Yeah, tastes just like childhood with Scouts. Man, that's good. But like you guys said, it needs a little bit of ice cream or coffee you could do. Yeah, definitely. Oh yeah. Whew, good morning. Well, it rained a little bit last night, but thankfully the tent held, and it's about 6:30 in the morning, and every one of those boys are awake. So I feel, I guess it's time to get up. Fire's already started. So we ended up having 1, 2, 7 tents last night. Pretty good turnout. Let's see what we got this morning. Got some donuts. Can't go wrong with donuts for breakfast. Ooh. And so we see the young rascals in their natural environment, pitted against one another in a fight to the death. As you can see, nature is as unforgiving as you would imagine. All right, so it is morning time. What was y'all's favorite part of the camp out? Football. You guys played nonstop.
Not sleeping.
Is it fun?
Donuts.
Donuts is yours? Oh yeah.
No, not sleeping.
Yeah, so
Sleeping part's the worst.
did anybody actually get any sleep last night?
I did.
You did?
There was people yeah, and they kept on looking in our tents and opening them and just like.
As soon as I fell asleep, I never woke up.
Never woke up? Is that right? So votes to do Campfire ASMR is what I've been hearing. See, that's all right. We might do a video for that. All right, so we had a great camp out last night. Sure was fun. And if you like what you saw, please feel free to.
Let's go!
You heard it.